everybody, welcome back to another episode of Arthur's Cooking Show. Today we are going to be making a very fulfilling dish and pretty healthy actually. This is Ginisang Munggo. Joining me today is another special guest. At first it was my wonderful, beautiful mother.
Hello.
And now it is going to be my older brother.
Hello everyone, my name is Rich. I'll be the special guest for this video. I'll be helping the main chef here for today. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
I'm the main chef.
Yes, you are.
I thought you were the head chef. You're the one who's going to be... I'm the one who's going to be helping you.
No, but you'll be cooking the most.
And I will be washing.
The ingredients you will need are 2 pieces of onion, 2 heads of garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger cut into thin slices, prawns. They can be any type you want, the big ones or the small ones like these. 2 packets of fish balls mixed with 1 packet of squid balls. Sweet potato. You can use normal potatoes if you have. Bagoong or shrimp paste. Hello, it's me, Arthur, from the future, and I just wanted to say there was a corruption in the file, so we couldn't get all of the ingredients. So I'll just tell you all the ingredients. You're gonna need olive oil and Munggo with the shell still intact, and you need to boil them before we cook and get the sabaw or the soup from the Munggo. There we go. Salt and pepper also. Season it how you want it, and it should be good. Dami.
More.
I think it's good enough.
More? It's hot now. Time to put the onion. See, with this video, I'm not going to do anything. My guest shall do all the work.
So,
Then?
what did you say is the next step?
Garlic.
Garlic. Oh, already smells so good.
Looks like it needs to cook for more.
Okay, but tell me what's the next step then.
Add the ginger.
And then?
Then the shrimp, then the squid, then the potato, then the pepper, then the bagoong, then the lentil, then the spinach. Did you catch that?
Yeah, I caught it. Good amount. An okay amount.
Now add the shrimp. Alright, looks like it's time to add the fish balls and squid balls.
Balls.
Indeed. Ay, kuya. What is this? Oh, no. Lagot ka kay mama. I'm the cleaner?
Yes, we do.
Ooh, ang bango. The fish balls, squid balls, prawns, garlic, and onion smell really nice together. Now, kuya, we can add the bagoong.
Okay. Here we go.
Alright. Here's a question. Can we use different meats instead of fish balls and squid balls?
Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng manok, ng beef, ng kahit ano.
Anong paborito mo?
Usually pork. Kaso bihira-bihira lang tayo makakabili ng pork dito.
Now, the sweet potato. As I said before, you can use normal potatoes if you would like. And now, it's time to add the munggo. We're almost done with this recipe. See, it doesn't take a lot of time. Just the preparation is what takes time. Actually making it and cooking everything together is easy. Yeah.
What is that? Oh no!
Ay, nako. What is with you and spilling stuff, kuya?
Just to give me work to do. Instead of just bossing me around.
And now wait for 10 minutes.
I think it's better if you use a knife. No?
Yeah, but I think it's better if you turn the peeler the other way around.
Ganun ba?
Yes. Okay.
Ooh, looking good. My man. So, we're almost done with this recipe, right?
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, all we have left is the spinach and water.
Then we're going to have a good dinner.
I guess we can place the spinach now. It looks like it's...
Fun fact, in Germany, their lentil soup, if I'm not wrong, I may be pronouncing this incorrectly, but it's called Linsensouppe. It's lentil soup, just like Munggo, where you have it with meat, any type of meat you want. Normally, it's served on the side with a different dish. But this Ginisang Munggo is the main dish, so that's the difference.
Very interesting.
And look at how colorful the Munggo is now that we've added the spinach. My voice is cracking a lot now. I don't know why that's happening.
I guess we can place a bit of water.
So there we have it, a nice colorful Munggo. So we're going to boil it for another 10 to 20 minutes, just until it's all tender and it's all delicioso. See you then. Now everything is tender and it is ready. And then we'll plate it. Am I on wiping duty again?
Yes, you are wiping duty. This is the Munggo. It smells amazing, and I'm sure it tastes just as amazing for sure. Bon appetit.
Thank you for watching this episode of Arthur's Cooking Show. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
And subscribe again.
then like and comment on this video. If you have any recommendations as to what we're going to cook again, please type it down in the description again. Type it into the comments, please. And I hope you enjoyed yourself watching this video. Bye.
Bye.